So, this video, I'm doing a disclaimer. Very good friend of mine. Met him at the House of Shock scene. I'm going to do a special shout out to this person because when I worked with at a place called Magnolia Community Services, I'll do a shout out for them because they're a nonprofit in New Orleans working with disabled, physically, mentally, developmentally disabled individuals. There are a lot of people that don't have any family. You know, there's several hundred people that are part of this program. They have no family, no supports, no one coming to see them on the holidays. And the guy that you're about to watch this video, he actually got his hotel that he manages to round up everything on a wish list and provide Christmas gifts for the people that didn't have anybody. So much respect, and he did this more than once. He even had somebody dress up like Santa Claus and do a Santa for them, and you know, it's stuff like that that just blows my mind. And these are also the same people. His name's Scott. You're about to see that, and his good friend Clayton. The two of them are just amazing people. They also helped. We raised, I think, a couple of years in a row, almost 1,000 pounds of food for Second Harvest Food Bank together. A couple Octobers in a row. So these are some really solid people. I try to take whatever I can do and spin it in a positive way. And if I can help promote something that someone believes in, sponsor something that someone believes in, whatever I can do, I'm always there. I'm always about it. But this guy, Scott, much love to you. You are a very kind person. As much shit as I give you, you are always so thoughtful and loving, and I just want to put that out there. And I'd like to say that you're also a stupid bitch. How about that? Oh, boom! Ow! So, see you later, dude. All right. Holly Coleman Rocks here with, what's your name?
DSH.
Okay, so we were having a moment just a minute ago, and you were getting really emotional, and you started crying.
Okay, I wouldn't go that far.
You were crying.
Bitch.
You started crying. I comforted you. You gave me a cheeseburger.
I put my head on your breast.
Yeah, we held each other.
Yes.
So, what I want to know is, what is the one thing that made you come back to this particular haunt after being a House of Shocker for so long?
It gets in your blood. You have to scare.
So it's not the haunt.
Not necessarily. I don't see myself at any other haunt.
Okay.
But I enjoy it.
So what is your biggest challenge here this year?
Missing family.
So when you say family, you're meaning other cast members that were here before?
Correct.
Who is the one that you miss the most?
Other than you?
Yes.
All of them.
Do a shout out to someone that you miss the most.
Artie and Sam.
Okay. I mean, they're legends. So the Bronski family is like legendary.
It is.
So having them not here is very tough.
Yeah, I mean, I miss them. I can't pinpoint one particular person because they were our family.
Okay.
And every year, it's just like we did so much together off season as well.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, that's what we're missing here, I think.
How do you feel about the character that you are this year?
I love my character. I love scaring people.
What is your character?
I have no clue what it is.
Have you named it yet?
Yes. I call myself the old fart. I play an old man.
So really not much of a character stretch for you, huh?
And this is true.
I'm just,
Like, why the fuck
I'm
are you
just
putting
kidding.
this makeup on me?
I love
I
you.
don't need this makeup. I can just
I love
stand there.
you. So how long have you been doing this? I didn't ask you that.
5 years?
5 years. Okay. Awesome.
Yes.
Very cool.
And it gets in your blood. And here I am.
All right. Well, I love you, and we're here together, aren't we?
I love you too, baby. Tits and all.
Oh, thank you. So what's up, Josh?
What's up, man?
How was your night tonight?
Zoomed in.
How was your night tonight, man?
It was fucking awesome.
Yeah?
Tonight,
Did you
yeah.
scare a lot of people?
A lot. Made them try to run over each other. It was good stuff. Slide them down.
What's all this in the back of your vehicle?
I'm like ready to scare.
I mean, like at all times.
All
Your
time.
gas cap is open. Is that
It's
part of the
scary.
scare?
It is. You never know. This bitch might blow
Hold up that paddle that you're holding up. That does not look fun at all. Like that is like, if I was about to hook up with a guy and he whipped that out, I'd be like,
You would probably only get this side.
I'm going home.
We all know that's bullshit.
I'm going home. There's Raimi peeling off. Let me zoom in.
She sucks at me, man. It's old fucking people. Old people.
I don't like being separated from her though, because we have fun. It's kind of like how you and Steven were, how y'all were great
Y'all
with
just
each
feed
other.
off each other.
Yeah. We're like our own version of the Lee brothers.
I can see that. I can see that.
Yeah. We're like really good.
Total. You're like, sit down. She's like, yeah, sit
All
down.
these people,
I
man.
don't know.
And it's like, people stare at me because I'm like filming and I'm like, guys, if y'all want to be a part of this, just jump right on in, man.
I do.
Yeah, just jump right on in. I'm down to film anybody. I am so open.
Open to filming. She's
I'm
open to
so
filming.
open to just filming people. Doesn't mean you're gonna make the cut. Doesn't mean you're gonna make the cut.
That's right.
I'll
The
film
editor's
fuck out-
list.
I'll film the fuck out of you. Doesn't mean you're gonna make it. Doesn't mean that. Did you guys have a good time? Yeah. Did y'all get scared? Yeah. Do a shout out for me for my YouTube channel. Yay!
Like, no fucking clue.
Yeah, I remember
Right,
scaring.
like, why am I gonna talk to this drunk bitch over here with the camera in my face?
That has another haunted house staff shirt on.
It's terrible.
I remember that big guy that walked through. He had BO. Just saying, big
I'm
guy.
sure. I'm sure.
Just saying. I don't know. I didn't.
What about Little Stinky? How was Little Stinky tonight?
Who's a little stinky?
Oh, you know who Little Stinky is. Little Stank. Did you get hugs aftershock hugs?
No, I ran from him. I ran from him. Cause you fucking like jinxed me and shit, man.
He's like, Coleman!
I know. Like God.
Little Stank.
I love people, but damn, dude.
It's like, we're not gonna put his
I'm
name
sweaty
out
as
there,
fuck.
but everyone knows who Little Stank is.
Little stinky. Stinky.
Little Stank.
Stinky.
Oh, man.
All right. Well, what are you doing?
I don't know. I guess I'm fucking going home. Everybody's dipping out. There's no after party no more. Coleman's getting old as fuck. It's past night time. I don't know what's happening. I guess I'm just gonna fucking.
So why don't we? I didn't know. I mean, if I would have known, I would have planned something. I mean,
just spur of the moment thing.
God damn, dude.
We're at the
God, it's like
We're
you're
at the pinnacle point in our life.
Look, I'm 44. Okay, this is really hard for me. This is hard. I got plantar fasciitis. My feet are all hurting.
But it does too.
I had to put some Dr. Scholl's up in my freaking boots. Damn.
Not the resoles.
Yeah, dude.
Soulless country.
I got a fucking knee brace on. I mean, I'm falling apart.
Hashtag old people.
I had whatever. What is
Hashtag
it?
old people problems.
What is this hashtag?
This hashish.
What is this hashish tag? I mean, I'm gonna go home and work on videos. That's what I do. I go home and work on videos.
Is that the old people way of saying flick the bean? Are you going home and flick
does flicking the bean mean?
Oh, you know what flicking the bean.
Masturbating? Oh my good gosh! This is a family channel.
Well, that's why I discreetly said flick the bean.
Okay. I'm gonna film you in the mirror. I wish it would take pictures while I was filming, because that would be cool. Alright, well look, I'm fucking tired, dude.
You know
I'm sorry I'm so old, okay?
You know whose camera does take pictures while it's filming? Your son's. I guess you gotta wait for the upgrade so you get the next game.
I just know that this was my stepdad's that passed away.
Oh, now I feel like a dick.
You should feel like a dick. My mom
Now it's
gave me
over.
this.
It's past. It's over with now. Now I feel better.
Fasha, do you hear how he's talking about your camera?
Fasha!
Fasha!
Not the Fasha! It's the Fasha!
God.
Peace.
Alright, bye.
Alright.
Wait, I forgot to turn it off.
Signing off.